People, what is up? It is about 7 a.m. Spring Fest day. I'm just cruising around the strip, trying to, you know, I gotta go wipe my car down, hit the gym early, do my thing, get some contents for you guys. But I figure I should throw my GoPro on and see if we can get some like nice sound clips of the new exhaust setup. It is super windy out this weekend here. Like, I don't know if you guys can kind of tell or not or hear it, but the wind is obnoxious. I was gonna mount my GoPro Max in the back and get some outside clips. Look at that Z though. But it's super windy. You probably won't be able to get nothing. There's a lot of cars parked up. So I'm just gonna drive around the strip and let you guys hear the exhaust note on the supercharger. Hopefully you guys can hear that. But you know, I gotta wait for this car to go. I'm gonna take forever, bruh. Like, hurry your ass up, dog. I stayed here last time. I'm not trying to rip it all crazy on a freaking avenue where probably cops are somewhere. I'm not trying to get in trouble or get my shit taken away. I haven't made it to the show yet. Sorry, my brakes are squeaky. They're not bad. It's just the freaking Hawk pads, and I have Hawk pads with some sort of rotors. I fucking forgot. But yeah, it causes a little squeaking and whatnot. Performance bullshit. But no, it's not broken. None of that. I can definitely hear my supercharger a lot more. It sounds so good. Sounds so good. Down low, around 2000 RPM, has a slight rasp, but it's not bad at all compared to what I had. And no, what I had wasn't terrible. It's just that fucking Testpipes what ruined it. So if you don't have Testpipe in that setup, you'll be great because it sounds good. The clothes are open. Damn, look at that Mustang, big wing gang. So yeah, if you avoid getting Testpipes, you'll be alright. I'm not trying to get a ticket or anything else, but I'm doing this for y'all, man. We be putting our freaking license and everything on the line for y'all to do these videos. You think these shits are legal? So I'm sorry, officer. That's what these people want to see. Responsibly though, do it responsibly. Know your limits. Know when and where, and know when to stop. You know what I mean? So that way when you get in trouble, you don't get in too bad of a trouble, I guess. I thought that was 5-0. Run, lady, run. I scared the shit out of her. Look at that Audi. It's so windy and nasty out here. My windshield's all fucking dirty, man. Like, what the heck? I gotta wipe it down later. X2. Man, Springfest here has not been the same, because I remember years ago when I first went, or a few years after, before COVID actually, it was nicer. It was fun. Cars were lit. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Usually shows on Saturday, so Friday, Saturday was popping with cars. People would come in at nighttime and cruise the whole strip. Saturday, Friday. You know what I mean? Now it's not the same. The past 3 years, I don't see a lot of cars cruising, chilling, you know, doing much things. You would see cars parked everywhere here years ago, like all over the freaking hotels. It was filled with cars. Every hotel was like packed with cars and shit like that. But now it's kind of different. I think the car show itself still has a lot of nice cars, but as far as like the other fun aspect of it, like being at the beach, car meets, and freaking cruising and all that stuff, was a lot better back then. They actually had car meets and night times and other things too before the show and shit, so it was very, very fun. Things are definitely different now, so you know, I'm just driving around getting some sound clips, and we'll see what we can get, I guess. But yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is it would be a lot cooler if I was able to get like a lot of cars cruising around and meets with a lot of cars and shit like that, or you know, show you guys some cool cars and show like what V8 Beach Springfest car meets and shit, car shows about. But things not the same, so I'm sorry guys. It might be boring, might be not, but I hope you guys enjoyed a clip of driving around the beach with the new exhaust setup. has like something with their stores called Station in it, like Sunsation, Beach Station, on the beach store station, gift store station. It's like they got all type. Look at that, sensation, erections, motivation. Wake up, everybody! Desi looks sexy. I'm waking everybody up. I wonder how the pops are back there. Peaceful over here, people fishing and stuff. I always want to go fishing over here. Too damn cold and windy right now though. Yo, I can't even, hopefully my hat didn't fly. Yo, my hat flew somewhere. Oh, okay, my fucking hat almost flew off my head outside, though. Like, we can't be doing that. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm about to go ahead and go do other things, but hopefully you guys enjoy the drive around setup and exhaust. I've been ripping it already throughout the whole freaking strip here, but I do have Can Auto test pipe, AWE resonated downpipes, AWE Touring CATBACK exhaust, and that is it. So yeah, it sounds really good, at least as far as I feel like it is. I don't know how it sounds like from the outside. I've never heard it. But hopefully we can get some clips of my car on the outside driving and such and things like that. So hopefully somebody can kind of contribute and help me. I'll probably let a good friend or somebody drive my car while I record it and shit like that. But yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.